Today's coronavirus numbers in Florida set a new record. For the first time, the state reported more than 10,000 new cases in one day. That pushes the total above 169,000. There were 67 new deaths today alone, and that raises the total above 3,600. Despite the state seeing its highest rate of infection, Vice President Mike Pence had nothing but praise for the governor during today's visit to Tampa. Another member of the president's administration is asking more Floridians to be tested. 8 on your side's Justin Shecker reports now from Tampa.
Good evening. Both Vice President Pence and Governor DeSantis say Florida's spike in coronavirus cases can be attributed to more young people testing positive. The Vice President shared this message during his visit to Tampa.
No younger American would ever want to put at risk a grandmother, a grandfather, a mom, a dad, an elderly neighbor or friend by inadvertently exposing them to the coronavirus.
As new cases of COVID-19 surge in Florida and Tampa Bay, 23-year-old Saral Kumar tells 8 on your side he's thinking of his parents.
It could have gone differently.
Both are doctors on the front lines.
So naturally they're in a high-risk environment. So they got the virus and they recovered, thankfully.
The VP says he and President Trump believe the decision whether to shut down the economy again should be up to the governor of each state.
We don't have to choose between opening up America and the health of our people. We can do both, and that's the challenge that we face today across the Sun Belt.
Ahead of the holiday weekend, Governor DeSantis is urging Floridians to avoid closed spaces, crowded places, and close contact settings.
If you're in really close, sustained contact with somebody, you're going to be more apt to see transmission of this virus.
White House Coronavirus Task Force member Dr. Deborah Birx says whether it's hand washing, social distancing, or mask wearing, everyone has a critical role to play in the next few weeks to slow the spread.
If you've participated in a large gathering in the last 4 weeks, we ask all of you to come forward and be tested because of the level of asymptomatic spread.
Dr. Birx directing that message, especially toward the under 40 age group.
There are definitely people dying still from it, and we got to do our part to be safe and socially responsible.
Both the vice president and governor say they want older Floridians to stay home and for younger ones like myself to wear a mask. In Tampa, I'm Justin Shecker, 8 on your side.